Let's this morning shift focus to other news that is coming in, where the EOW, which is the Economic Offences Wing, the notice that has now been issued to DK Shivkumar. This has now been done on part of the Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing, which has now started investigation in the National Herald case. Now, what we are learning, following to which the EOW is sending notices to Congress leaders who are said to be associated with Young Indian, and the notice directs DK Shivkumar to provide financial and transactional details. Now, the EOW has stated that DK Shivkumar may have important documents related to the FIR in the National Herald case that is filed against Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, and the notice that had been sent on the 29th of November instructed him to provide all requested information by the 19th of December, where the investigators have sought full details of his personal background, his association with the Congress, and also the funds allegedly transferred to Young Indian. Now, with this Economic Offences Wing notice issued to Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister, he seems to be slamming this very notice, claiming that it is unnecessary, and rather he's called this notice as harassment. Now, with this development coming to light as far as in the National Herald case, with these developments that have been taking place over Young Indian transaction, is something that documents and necessary details have now been sought from DK Shivkumar. Let's in the meantime listen in to the Deputy Chief Minister, who is calling this notice as an attempt to harass.
There is nothing wrong, it is our institution, and we being a congressman, we have supported the institution, but I don't know why after the ED also has filed a charge sheet, there was no need of the police to register a case. So we will take up this case, we will fight in the court of law, and that is, it is only the harassment. What is there? It is our money, we can give to anyone whomever we like when we pay taxes. Then what more they can do it? They're just to harass Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and all the supporters.
All right, Neha is connected with us. Neha, this is coming a week after Enforcement Directorate filed a fresh case with the Delhi Police in connection with the National Herald case. What is now being sought from DK Shivkumar? Neha? Neha, can you hear me? All right, just reconnecting that line there. But as far as this notice that has been dated around 29th of November, asking DK Shivkumar to submit a complete details and the bifurcation of amount given to Young Indian or by him, anyone associated or related companies or firms or the HUF. Let's listen in to the Deputy Chief Minister.
There is nothing wrong, it is our institution, and we being a congressman, we have supported the institution, but I don't know why after the ED also has filed a charge sheet, there was no need of the police to register a case. So we will take up this case, we will fight in the court of law, and that is, it is only the harassment. What is there? It is our money, we can give to anyone whomever we like when we pay taxes. Then what more they can do it? They're just to harass Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and all the supporters.
Yes, Neha, if you can hear me now, the details of this notice that has now been served, where the Deputy Chief Minister has been calling it as unnecessary.
Well, Amita, that's absolutely right. Of course, we're seeing here that the Deputy Chief Minister as well as his brother, former MP DK Suresh, have both been issued notices right now as far as the National Herald case is concerned. And remember, of course, what they've, of course, been alleging over here is that it has been vendetta, that it has been nothing but an attempt to sort of harass Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi as well. Furthermore, he says that he would in fact deal with this legally, and he's even gone on to question why, after an ED charge sheet as well, did the police now have to take up a separate case? While, of course, he's asked about that notice that's been issued to him for December 19th, he says that, he would take this up legally and he would decide on that notice later. Further, even questioning why, of course, they are not being allowed to use their own money. He says that it was their funds. They decide what institution it should be spent on, and that there was absolutely nothing wrong, that this is nothing but mere vendetta.
All right, so this comes a week after Enforcement